So we got this new color that came in. Oh yeah. Never before seen it in the US.
I don't know about that.
Who else did it?
I don't know. You know what?
Very limited color. Yeah, coming soon. We actually had to hunt this rolled down in Romania. I don't know why, but it was there. So it looks kind of like the retro, but it's gloss, obviously. From far away, it looks like it has a really dark color, so it almost looks black, but when you get up close or when the sun hits it, it has this really cool green to it. Beautiful green metallic.
You said work on it?
Yeah. Coming soon to a CYBERTRUCK near you. Now panda this one.
Okay.
Put that whole thing in there. Now panda this one.
What's up, it's Misa with OCDetailing, and today we have a very exciting project. This is the first ever CYBERTRUCK done in ULTRAFIT's XP Olive Green. So you've seen XP Olive Green in the retro version, that's the matte, but this is the glossy one. And you're getting a really good look at how it kind of changes. We've got a brighter green up here when the light hits it, and then if you walk around to the back, you actually get something that's a lot darker, almost looks a little black. But yeah, super cool install. So everything is tucked and wrapped over each panel, and the trunk lift, if we could open it, actually is wrapped all the way in here, so you don't have any of that stainless steel showing from beforehand. And then of course we did our little special, and we did that ceramic coating on top of everything. We did on top of all of the film, all of the glass, the trim, the ins and outs of the wheels, and the brake calipers, which is why they look that shiny. And then we also did window tint on this. We did this a while back. The window tint, we did 70% on the front windshield, 20% on the front too, and then 50% stacking on the privacy glass in the rear. So this is really cool because our customer Tom, he's been a really big fan of ours for quite a while. So he was saying it's kind of like a dream come true that he finally gets to do his truck with us. And it was really cool. So I started the process with him with a consultation, went all the way through. He was super patient while we were waiting for this film, and it came out really, really cool. So really excited to have customers like Tom, and we're excited that we can make his vision a reality.